Welcome to today's review video. In this video, we'll be diving into some of the top tools that every DIY enthusiast and professional needs in their toolbox. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Eara Universal Key Pipe Wrench Set. First up is the Eara Universal Key Pipe Wrench Set. This tool is a must-have for anyone working with fasteners and plumbing tasks. With a self-adjusting technology, it offers an automatic locking feature that ensures a secure grip on any fastener, making your work faster and more efficient. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, featuring a two-color TPR handle and a tail crowbar design, which helps in achieving a non-slip grip even when working in tough conditions. Made of high-carbon steel, these wrenches are built for durability and strength, ensuring that they last through the toughest jobs. The set includes 14 to 30 mm and 30 to 60 mm sizes, so no matter the bolt or nut, you'll always have the right tool for the job. Plus, the compact and lightweight design makes it portable and easy to handle for precision work. Number 5. LAOA Automatic Wire Stripping Tool. Next up is the LAOA Automatic Wire Stripping Tool. If you're someone who works with wires, this tool will make your life a whole lot easier. Made in Taiwan, this wire stripper boasts a double spring design that makes stripping wires effortless and quick. The wire stripping range is impressive, handling sizes from AWG 10-24, and it can even crimp terminals ranging from AWG 22-10. Whether you're dealing with cables for electrical projects or working with spark plug connectors, this tool can handle it all. The tool's ergonomic design and efficient operation ensure you get the job done without strain, and with its solid construction, it will last for many years to come. Number 4. WORKPRO Mini Pliers Set. For those of you who need a set of pliers that can do a bit of everything, the WORKPRO Mini Pliers Set is the tool for you. This set is made from high-quality carbon steel, ensuring durability and longevity for those tough tasks. The set includes a variety of mini pliers that are perfect for electrical and DIY projects, offering precision and control even in tight spaces. What makes these pliers stand out is their compact design, which allows for easy handling and versatility in delicate work. The European plier style ensures that they're comfortable to use, making them the perfect addition to your toolkit. Number 3. Neodymium Fishing Magnet. For anyone who enjoys fishing or treasure hunting, the Neodymium Fishing Magnet is a game changer. These heavy-duty magnets are crafted from neodymium and come with a 304 stainless steel eye bolt for easy attachment to ropes. The strength of the magnet comes from its design, which uses a steel cup to enhance the magnetic pull, making it significantly stronger than regular neodymium magnets. This magnet can help you recover metal objects from rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water, offering an exciting and rewarding experience. Imagine spending a sunny day with friends, salvaging treasures from the water with this powerful tool. Number 2. Eara Solar Auto-Dimming Welding Helmet. Welding professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike will love the Eara Solar Auto-Dimming Welding Helmet. This helmet features a large field of view and auto-darkening technology, ensuring your eyes are always protected while working with welding tools. Powered by both a LAOA battery and solar energy, this helmet offers great functionality and sustainability. The adjustable sensitivity allows you to control the level of dimming, which is especially useful for different types of welding tasks. The helmet is lightweight and built for comfort, and its CE certification gives you peace of mind about its quality and safety. If you do any kind of welding work, this helmet is an essential tool for ensuring both safety and precision. Number 1. 12V Cordless Rechargeable Rebar Tying Machine. At number 1, we have the 12V Cordless Rechargeable Lithium Battery Electric Rebar Tying Machine. This powerful tool is designed for tying rebar, making it ideal for construction and building projects. With a 7,800 mAh or 15,600 mAh battery option, this tool provides long-lasting power to get through tough jobs. The machine ties rebar quickly, with a knot time of just 0.8 seconds per tie, which increases your efficiency on the job site. It's lightweight and easy to handle, with an ergonomic design that reduces fatigue during long working hours. The tool is compact and comes with everything you need, including a charger, pliers, and wire rolls. If you're in the construction industry, this is a must-have tool that will significantly improve your workflow and save you time. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.